Today, we're tackling a common problem updating your payment method on Netflix. If you're facing issues, don't worry, we'll go through some troubleshooting steps together. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. If not, try switching between cellular data and Wi Fi. Try loading another website or app to make sure your internet is working properly. Okay, my Wi-Fi is working properly, so let's move on to the next page. Now let's go to netflix.com. Now sign in to your Netflix account using your credentials. After you've logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop down menu, choose account. Now let's try updating your payment method. Scroll down to the membership and billing section. Here you'll see an option to update your payment information. Click on it. Fill in your new credit card or payment information and ensure everything is correct. If you encounter problems during this process, here are some common issues and solutions. Make sure the card is valid and hasn't expired. Double check the details you've entered. Ensure your account has sufficient funds to cover the subscription cost. If you're using a web browser, try clearing your cache or using a different browser. If you're on the app, consider updating it or reinstalling. Sometimes payment methods vary by region. Make sure the payment method you're trying to use is accepted in your country. Now, if you're still having trouble, it might be time to contact Netflix support. And that's it. Hopefully, these steps help you resolve any issues with updating your payment method on Netflix.